Layton, Utah, experiences diverse weather patterns with cold winters and significant snowfall. It's vital to select the right furnace that aligns with these climate conditions to ensure a comfortable home. Efficiency plays a pivotal role in furnace selection. High-efficiency furnaces are designed to maximize heat production while minimizing energy consumption. Given Layton's chilly winters, having an efficient furnace is indispensable to maintain a warm home without incurring exorbitant energy costs. In Layton, various types of furnaces are commonly used, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. These include gas furnaces, electric furnaces, dual fuel systems, and heat pumps. Choosing the right type of furnace depends on factors such as climate and specific household needs. Selecting the appropriate furnace size is another critical consideration. An oversized furnace leads to inefficient short cycling, where it turns on and off frequently, wasting energy and wearing down components. Conversely, an undersized furnace struggles to keep your home comfortably warm during extreme cold spells. Professional load calculations are essential to determine the right furnace size for your specific home. In Layton's climate, temperature variations within your home can be a common issue. To address this, zoning systems with multiple thermostats can help maintain consistent comfort in different areas of your house. High-efficiency furnaces, despite their higher initial cost, come equipped with advanced features that enhance performance and energy efficiency. Investing in a high-efficiency furnace can lead to significant long-term savings through reduced energy consumption. Regular furnace maintenance is vital for efficient and trouble-free operation. To ensure your furnace operates reliably, it's advisable to schedule an annual furnace tune, up before the cold season sets in. This proactive approach can help catch and address potential issues before they become major problems. Layton's unpredictable climate can result in power outages during winter storms. Having backup heating sources such as generators or wood-burning stoves is crucial to ensure continuous heating during such emergencies. Additionally, carbon monoxide detectors are essential for safety, as they can help detect potential leaks from your heating system. A well-matched furnace offers numerous benefits to homeowners. It provides consistent and reliable heating during cold months, helping to maintain a warm and comfortable home. Furthermore, it can lead to lower energy bills, reduced risk of unexpected breakdowns, and overall peace of mind, ensuring that your home remains a sanctuary in Layton's diverse climate.